Assalamualaikum guys. In this video, I'll show how to get the random numbers with the help of some of the programming concepts. So, to invert random number, I wanted to import the module named as random. Import named as random in Python. Random. Oh, I did a mistake here. Random. RANDOM. So, I wanted to make another thing, another one. I want to import another one that is from random, from random, import ran, ran, rand int. Okay, rand int. So I just wanted to import. I just imported here a random function with the rand int, random integer, rand integer. The blended word of random and integer. So I wanted to create a variable as fact number, which is equals to rand it rand int rand int in the form of 1 to 100. Okay, wanted to use another variable named as username, user underscore num. For my convenience, I am using these two variables. If you want another one, then you can -1. Just wanted to here, and here try count, which is equals to 1. Okay, so here I made it three variable named as select number, user number, and try count. So I just wanted to implement here a while concept, while loop, while sec var num is not equals to, for my convenience, it's not equals to user num. We already know that, because two of numbers should not be equal and to make a random number. So I wanted to print here, print here, print, okay, print, and module D is to define the integer numbers. Module D try, it is also known as module D is it skips character, which skips the sequence, ended quotes, and he wants to put the module with try count and the score count, which is end is nothing, simply ended. Okay, and another thing is user underscore num, which is equals to int, and I wanted to take as input. Okay, if wanted to use as if concept here, if user underscore num less than select number, then print to loss for my convenience. For just two I will put it here. And L if is a blended word of else if is elif user underscore num is greater than select number selector underscore num. Okay, and let me colon and print out here and print too much, too much. Okay, and again the last statement, that is else statement, colon, and that is print print oh my god, here p print, you guess, you guessed it, let's say you guessed it. Okay, you you guessed it. Okay, and try underscore call count, try underscore count, which I have taken already the variable name, which is equals to 1. So if I run this, try 1 is if I wanted to select as 50, 2 loss, wanted to select as 70, 65, let's say what is going to be 2 loss, 70 too much, and 62, let's say 2 loss. For example, 1, 2, 3, it will goes on until you guess the right number. It has selected your number, which is you have to guess it. For my convenience, I made this program the very easiest way. So to make sure this is the video, like if you like this video, make sure not to be forgotten to subscribe and share my channel. Here I selected 67 and I guessed correctly. Here's how you import this, invert is the random number and you guessed. This is just for fun, and having fun in the life is a better way to live it. So thank you guys for being with me. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you very much.